I've got something incredible to show you today. We're about to dive into the world of Suma root, and let me tell you, this is gonna blow your mind. You know how sometimes nature just surprises you with its awesomeness? Well, Suma root is one of those surprises. It's like the superhero of the plant world, and I can't wait to show you why. So let's talk about where this amazing root comes from. Suma root, or as the science folks call it, Pfaffia paniculata, is this tuberous root that grows in the Amazon. Now check this out. It's not actually related to ginseng, but people call it Brazilian ginseng because it's just that awesome. The indigenous people in Brazil have been using this root forever, and they call it para tudo, which means for everything. How cool is that? You know what's really interesting? Suma belongs to the same family as quinoa and amaranth. It's like the cool cousin in the plant world. This root thrives in warm, humid rainforests. Now, I want you to see this. Suma is packed with all these amazing compounds. We're talking plant-based sterols, saponines, iron, magnesium, amino acids, and this really cool compound called beta-ecdysterone. Alright, now let's get into the really cool stuff. What Suma can do for you. First off, it's what we call an adaptogen. That means it helps your body deal with stress. It's like having a personal stress manager. It regulates your cortisol levels and supports your adrenal health. So if you're feeling burnt out or always tired, Suma might be your new best friend. But wait, there's more. Suma is like a Swiss Army knife for your body. It helps balance hormones, which is great for menopause symptoms and even boosting libido. And get this, athletes love this stuff. It helps with muscle tone, endurance, and recovery. It's like a natural performance enhancer, but without all the nasty side effects of synthetic stuff. How amazing is that? So there you have it, folks. Suma root, nature's secret weapon for wellness. It's this incredible Amazonian root that can help with everything from stress to athletic performance. But remember, always chat with your doctor before adding new supplements to your routine. Suma's awesome, but it's always best to play it safe. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the world of Suma root. Until next time, keep being curious.